Look at this thing. It's got giant eyes, tiny hands. It looks like Pixar designed a forest spirit, and it can kill you with a bite that causes flesh necrosis. That's not even the worst one on this list. So here's the thing about nature. It lies to your face. You see a cute animal, you think, ah, nature thinks, perfect, they won't see it coming. Because some of the most harmless looking creatures on Earth are running literal horror movie tactics. We're talking venom that laughs at morphine, brain parasites, organ theft, stuff that makes you go, wait, evolution did what? And today we're going through the worst offenders, the animals that look like plush toys but fight like they're auditioning for a Saw movie. By the end of this, you will never look at a dolphin the same way. Let's go. We're starting with the poster child of cute things that will ruin you, the slow loris. You've probably seen the videos. Big, adorable eyes. Tiny grabby hands. People tickling them like they're the world's softest pet. Yeah, about that. First of all, that's not enjoying the tickle. That's a fear response. They raise their arms when they're terrified because they're trying to access their secret weapon. Yeah. Secret weapon. The slow loris is the only venomous primate on Earth. It has a toxin gland in its arm, seriously. Its arm, and when it feels threatened, it licks the gland, mixes the toxin with its saliva, and bites you. And that bite can cause flesh necrosis, extreme pain, anaphylactic shock, sometimes death. They use this in territorial fights where they literally bite off each other's fingers and ears like it's a Tarantino film. So the next time you see a video of someone cuddling one of these things, just know that animal is seconds away from turning their hand into a crime scene. Cute, right? Okay, next up, the animal that makes zero biological sense and also wants you to suffer, the platypus. This thing is already a joke. It's a beaver duck that lays eggs and has no business existing. Scientists literally thought it was a hoax when they first saw one, but then they found out about the spurs. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs. And the venom they inject doesn't kill you. It does something worse. It causes pain so intense that morphine doesn't work on it. Like, you can pump someone full of the strongest painkiller we have, and they'll still be screaming. The pain can last for weeks, sometimes months. And evolution didn't even design this for defense. It's specifically for fighting other male platypuses over mates. So this goofy little egg-laying weirdo is out here delivering some of the worst pain in the animal kingdom because of drama. Respect. Alright, let's go to the beach. You're snorkeling. The water's clear. You see a tiny octopus with beautiful blue rings glowing on its body. It's the size of a golf ball. It's stunning. Do not touch it. The blue-ringed octopus has enough venom to kill 26 adult humans, and there's no antidote. The venom is tetrodotoxin, same stuff in pufferfish, and it's 1,000 times stronger than cyanide. Here's the worst part. The bite is painless. You don't even know you've been bitten until the paralysis starts. Your muscles stop working. You can't breathe. You're fully conscious the whole time, just trapped in your own body. And all because you thought, ooh, pretty colors. Nature's basically running a honeypot scam at this point. Okay, quick check-in. We've covered a venomous teddy bear, a duck that tortures you, and a tiny octopus that's basically a delete button. And we're not even halfway done, because it gets weirder. Stick with me. There's an animal coming up that literally replaces your organs, and honestly, I'm still not over it. Let's talk about everyone's favorite ocean friend, dolphins. They're smart. They're playful. They saved that one kid in a movie. Yeah, no. Bottlenose dolphins are psychopaths. They kill porpoises for fun, not for food, not for territory, just because they can. They commit infanticide killing babies so the mothers are forced back into mating. And they form male alliances to corner females and, yeah, we're not going into detail, but let's just say sexual coercion is a light way to put it. This is the animal we put on kids' lunchboxes. Flipper? More like Zodiac Killer of the Sea. The ocean's cute spokesman is out here running a crime syndicate, and we gave it a TV show. And if you thought dolphins were bad, let me introduce you to the internet's cutest animal, the sea otter. They hold hands while they sleep. They use tools. They're fluffy they drown females during mating. They've been documented sexually assaulting baby seals, and then continuing after the seal is dead. There are scientists who watched this happen, and had to file reports like, yeah, so that just occurred. Oh, that they also use their own babies as hostages to steal food from other otters. So next time you see a video of otters holding hands and you go, "Aw," just remember those little paws have seen things. This is what the internet decided to make into a wholesome meme. We really just ignored all the evidence, huh? Okay, last one. And I saved it because this is genuinely one of the most disturbing things I've ever learned. There's a parasite called the Tongue-Eating Louse. Here's what it does. It swims into a fish's mouth, attaches to the tongue, and slowly drains the blood supply until the tongue falls off. And then it attaches itself to the stub and becomes the new tongue. It just lives there as a fully functional replacement organ. The fish uses it to eat. The parasite eats some of the food. They share a mouth. This is the only known parasite that completely replaces a body part. Evolution looked at this and said, yeah, that's fine. I need you to understand there is a creature that steals your tongue and pretends to be it for the rest of your life. If that's not a monster, I don't know what is. So yeah, nature is not your friend. It's running scams. It's deploying chemical weapons. It's doing crimes that would get you life in prison. And the worst part, the cutest looking ones are usually the most unhinged. That slow lures from the beginning, still out there, still venomous, still getting tickled on Instagram by people who have no idea what they're holding. If this video made you rethink literally any animal you thought was harmless, leave a comment. Tell me which one broke you. And if you want more stuff like this, where I take things that seem normal and reveal they're actually nightmare fuel, subscribe, because I've got a whole list of topics that will make you go, wait, what? See you then.